The fourth industrial revolution is the digital transformation of manufacturing, production, and related industries. It is a new way of organizing and managing industrial value chains. It has heralded the transformation of entire systems of production, management, and governance. Digital transformation has also caused a transformation of the skills landscape, and it is critical that we empower our workforce to access the requirements and opportunities that this transformation brings. To support South African industries and the broader workforce, that includes the youth and unemployed, to participate optimally in the opportunities embedded in the fourth industrial revolution, the CSIR has established a learning factory with the express aim of driving skills development in those disruptive technology domains that are the building blocks to advance manufacturing and future production. The digital transformation themes include the Internet of Things, digital lifecycle management, augmented reality for supplementing human operation, totally integrated automation and robotics additive manufacturing, smart systems for smart infrastructure cybersecurity, big data analytics, simulation, cloud computing, and edge processing. Training is multi-module, some online, some a hybrid of virtual and hands-on, and caters for varying levels of technical competence requirements. The customizable learning path spans theoretical concepts, practical engagement with the various technologies, application of the technologies to controlled industrial scenarios, and experiencing use of the technologies in real production environments. Master site of the learning factory is fitted with different workbenches for the different learning activities. Locally sourced technologies are used as far as possible. This includes state-of-the-art infrastructure for smart manufacturing, human-centered automation, collaborative robotic systems, augmented reality platforms, and a smart house scenario. The modularity of the learning factory allows access to additional equipment and facilities distributed across the CSIR, as well as at industry across the country. Other facilities at the CSIR that are also accessible include the Photonics Center, where 3D printing platforms like Aeroswift are being developed. Other examples are in the Chemicals Cluster, where we are supporting the Biomanufacturing Industry Development Center with the application of 4IR technologies. Another key module is the Casting Technology Center, which support industry in the optimization of casting processes.
We foresee that the Learning Factory will be used by technologists and engineers, but also trainers who need to pass the learning to others. Because the content is at different levels and in different themes, participants can select specific modules. They can join us here or do the work on their own speed online. It is the CSIR's way of supporting South African industry and the knowledge or knowledgeable economy. The first curriculums were rolled out in early 2022 and were flooded with inquiries and enrollments. We take this as an indication of the need for more skills development on fourth industrial revolution technologies.
The course curriculum is presented in different modules to cover topics such as the 4IR and Industry 4.0, technologies of Industry 4.0 that enable human-centered automation, application areas within various industrial sectors, as well as challenges and opportunities in the South African context. Training content is being continuously expanded based on industry needs, and technologies already covered include aspects of artificial intelligence, augmented reality, robotics, additive manufacturing, the Internet of Things, big data analytics, cloud computing and edge processing, system integration, digital twinning, simulation, cyber security. For more information about the training modules, visit 4irsa.co.za.